Hey guys, so summer is here and summer can be terrible for your skin, especially when you see all that healthy glow melting away with the sweat and no beauty hacks seems to work out. Well, don't worry. I'm gonna be showing you my DIY ice cubes, which are very easy to prepare at home, and these are enough to solve all your beauty problems. Whether it's acne, pimples, dark spots, open pores, wrinkles, dark circles, and many more. And I'm sure that not all of you know that applying ice cubes daily can give you radiant and glowing skin. So here you are seeing three types of ice cubes. Red ones are tomato ice cubes, yellow ones are milk and turmeric ice cubes, and green ones are aloe vera ice cubes. Trust me, guys, these ice cubes are going to make your skin as beautiful as they look. So now I'm going to quickly show you how you can prepare these ice cubes at home, what are its amazing benefits, and how you can apply on your face.